Today, I would like to go through our Sharp projector lineup, starting with our new X171Q. This is our 4K plus 16,500 lumen brightness DLP projector. We are also showing our new XP57UL ultra short throw lens, and the key advantage with it is it has a very, very wide lens shift, a vertical shift of 50% and a horizontal shift of 20%. Another key advantage with the X series is the RB laser light source, and this can be seen in the really fantastic colors. And another key advantage is that it is IP6X dust protected. This is the highest rating possible for projection and is making it ideal for dusty, demanding environments. We also have our A201U. This is our 20,000 lumen brightness LCD projector. So the key advantage with this model is that it is actually having an RB laser light source, which is unique on LCD-based projectors. And this is also evident in the really fantastic colors. And also it gives us a very wide color space. It's actually equal to DCI P3. Another advantage is sealed engine. The dust cannot get onto the panels, meaning that I have a consistent image quality over the life of the projector. It also means I don't need to have a filter, and also it means that it's really silent operation. Also, another advantage is we're having HD-based T out, which means very flexible and easy installation, and obviously all of your professional features like edge blending, stacking, etc. Then we are also showing our new P701U. So this is our 7,000 brightness fixed lens projector. It is also having our sealed engine, which is again preventing any dust to get onto the panels and also being filter free. We are also showing our new entry-level E501U. So this is a 5,000 WXGA laser unit. The key advantage with this is that it's very, very compact, very affordable and lightweight, weighing only 5 kilograms.